Hey guys! I've been quite busy in the last couple of months. I learned a lot about AI and today I want to share my experience with you about AI, music and image creation. I have used Suno AI and Leonardo AI for 2 months and for the results I've created a second YouTube channel. It is amazing that today AI can sing in different languages and create songs with just a couple of sentences.
Whisper low, your shadows crawling closer to mine. Fluorescent lights hum, it's just another day. Pushing carts past bargains, coupons on display.
So with Suno AI, I have started to create chill-out lo-fi beats with the theme of Taiwan. The anime-style images come from Leonardo AI, which shall fit into the music itself. Leonardo AI is one of the most interesting image generation tools I've encountered. Not only can you choose the style and the result, your prompts are separated into 2 sections. With the general positive prompt, you tell the AI what you want, and with the negative prompt, you specify your additional need. Let us listen to some of my best samples.
Imagine you're strolling through a Taiwanese night market. The beats are mellow and chill, layered with the hum of muted conversations. Sizzling pans, clinking.
The glow from lanterns lights my way. A sea of faces, night to day. Steam rises up from street cuisine, where memories drift like a dream.
So folks, now you have an overview how these tools work. Would you try them yourself? Check out my YouTube video channel and the 2 AI tools in the description. As always, thanks for watching, please subscribe and until next time, bye!
Yo, this is key. It is so hard to get a subscribee. Yeah, you know that I'm going to agree. It's just so sad and full of what to see. It really is just a tragedy. So please, do not do this to me. Subscribe to me and you'll be free. And follow me.